SeaArt AI versus Character AI. Which AI platform should you use? Choosing the right AI platform can transform your creative projects without overwhelming complexity. SeaArt AI focuses on stunning visuals, while Character AI specializes in conversational experiences. SeaArt AI and Character AI serve different creative needs. SeaArt AI generates high-quality art and images, whereas Character AI builds interactive human-like chatbots. The core difference lies in visual creation versus conversational intelligence. SeaArt AI is an advanced platform designed for generating detailed and artistic images using AI. It works by leveraging deep learning models trained on vast datasets of art styles and imagery, enabling users to create unique visuals tailored to their needs. SeaArt AI excels in producing high-resolution images with impressive detail and color accuracy, making it ideal for artists, designers, and marketers seeking creative visuals without manual design work. Its interface is user-friendly, allowing customization through prompts and style adjustments. However, its primary limitation is the focus solely on image generation, so it does not support conversational or interactive AI functions. Users who want to enhance visual content efficiently will find SeaArt AI a powerful tool, but those needing AI-driven dialogue or character interaction might need additional platforms. Character AI specializes in creating interactive chatbots that simulate human-like conversations. It uses sophisticated natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user inputs in a dynamic way. This platform is perfect for developers, educators, and businesses looking to build engaging virtual assistants, role-playing characters, or customer support bots. Character AI supports customization of personalities and dialogue styles, enabling tailored user experiences. Its strength lies in conversational depth and adaptability, making interactions feel natural and responsive. However, it does not generate visual content or images, focusing entirely on text-based AI communication. For users aiming to build intelligent chat interfaces or virtual characters, Character AI offers robust tools, but it won't replace platforms designed for visual creativity. When comparing SeaArt AI and Character AI, the choice depends on your project goals. If you need to produce striking visuals quickly, SeaArt AI is the go-to platform, excelling in artistic image creation with detailed control over styles. Conversely, if your focus is building conversational agents or interactive characters, Character AI provides advanced dialogue capabilities and personality customization. In real-world use, SeaArt AI suits marketing campaigns, art projects, and design workflows, while Character AI fits customer service bots, educational tools, and entertainment applications. The trade-off is clear. SeaArt AI delivers visual impact but no conversation, whereas Character AI offers rich interaction without visual generation. Choosing between them means prioritizing either visual creativity or conversational intelligence. Choose SeaArt AI if your primary need is high-quality, customizable image generation for creative and marketing projects. Opt for Character AI when your focus is creating engaging, human-like chatbots or interactive characters. Both platforms excel in their domains, so select based on whether your project demands visual artistry or conversational depth for the best results.